here in the shop, we sure do an awful lot of fabrication and cutting, and that may range from small stock to roll cage tubing and some chassis parts. Well, our buddies at sawblade.com provide us with all the right cutting tools to get the job done. Our roll cage pieces are getting cut with our sawblade.com Q1400. This is the workhorse chop saw in our shop. It's powered by a low-speed, high-torque motor that can cut tubing up to 5 1/8 inches thick at 1300 RPM. The blade is designed to cut tubing without excessive sparking and will leave a cut that will need very little prep to be used.
Their Trajan 125 bandsaw can cut all types of steel up to 5 inches, and it's easy to carry to your worksite. It has a large 0 to 60 degree miter scale and a variable speed motor to accommodate metal from angle iron to stainless steel. It runs on standard 120 volt power without using coolant and uses standard length blades.
To cut these small pieces, we're using our sawblade.com Q700. It's small enough to be used just about anywhere. Even though it only weighs in at 19 pounds, it's got enough power to make short work on steel up to 2 inches thick. Spinning at 3,800 RPM, the 7-inch carbide tip blade is designed to last up to 20 times longer than an abrasive blade, and yet generates very little heat.